In this video, we're going to show you how to grease the bearings inside the hub of your axle-less trailer suspension. Hey everyone, I'm Mike with Timbered Industries, and today I'm going to show you how to grease the bearings on your axle-less suspension. Like many things in life, even the hubs on your trailer suspension need a little TLC. Due to high heat and corrosion, grease tends to dry out. Adding new grease prevents corrosion and reduces friction. To keep your hubs in good working order, this procedure should be done once after the first 4 months of use and then once a year after. This little bit of maintenance requires a grease gun and some shop rags. Let's get to it. Lift the trailer and support it with jack stands before removing both tires. Remove the rubber plug that covers the easy access grease fitting on the end of each spindle. Insert the grease gun fitting over the easy access fitting. Continue to add new grease while rotating the hub. Stop greasing when the old grease starts to back out of the bearings. Wipe away the excess grease and replace the rubber plug. And just like that, your hubs are greased and ready for more. Now it doesn't need to be done again for another 12,000 miles. And that's it. For more axle-less maintenance videos, check these out. For more information, visit timbered.com. I'll see you next time.